Hello everyone. In the last video, we have finished 4 styling table on a card page by using CSS. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to remove products from the card by using PHP and MySQL. Deleting and updating from PHP is going to be very similar. Let's start by opening up the text editor. And we go to car.php file and go to checkbox and name remove and inside HTTP value I call PHP code text here and we go up to variable ID here. Just need to copy this and paste it here. Give this a semicolon echo. Now we scroll down to bottom of the home box. We need to add another PHP code and let's try to add a variable if set variable post remove correct and inside correct just need to echo variable post remove. Let me see. This is post remove here with the name HTTP remove. We save the file and go to web browser below the page. We just and see on the update card. We have some problem here. Car online 142. We come back to fix the error and since you delete this. We will use a for each loop to work with array function. So let's try for which post remove s remove id variable remove id. And inside the for each loop we echo variable remove id and let's save the file and check out in web browser. We will load the page once again. You will say it has worked fine. So 20 which file with the 20 and we check out in another product we update list on update car once again. We say it's a product ID 12. We come back to remove this PHP code. We will use MySQL query to perform a query on the database. Let's do that by typing variable run underscore delete equals MySQLi query and variable connection, variable con, and double quote. Inside a couple of double quote, we will use a SQL statement. So let's say delete from cache. It's a cache table where product ID equals variable remove. We are just need to copy and paste that here and put a single quote. Let's go ahead and we type and if address equal variable if. That's it. Let's see. This is if variable is here. Let's jump down a line and we another if condition. Let's type if variable run delete inside if statement we echo JavaScript script. We use window doc open and inside premises we echo car copy speed and cell. Let's save the file and go to web browser. We load the page. Let's try on Apple tablet product here. This on update car. I got some error here. Reload page. Once disappear. Let's try again. Samsung camera update. It not work. We come back to fix error. Remove ID. Hold it. MySQLi query con delete from car where product ID is equal remove and I had an error here. This is issue delete it and save the file. We will choose web browser and reload the page. Let's try again. Check on this and this on update car button. When you see it has disappeared and ID. You see. So again. Let's one and another thing that we need to do is to insert a function car. We go to a function and find a car function. Here. We JavaScript echo script and close it. Inside script text we type window dot open and give a index dot php cell. Let's save the file and go to the web browser. Go to home page and load page. Create more. Let's say it has a below the page when I choose car. Let's say change. Come back to shopping cart and we need to remove update and let's on the update cart button once again. You see it has to remove all records from the database. You need to remove show record. Let me see. I work fine. We come back to TH and more PHP code for the car.php file. We sign it is set post continue and you need to copy this line and paste that here. Change it to index.php and let's save the file and go to web browser, reload the page. Let's try by clicking on continue shopping cart button. You see let's turn to home page and go to shopping cart, check out again. You see we will stop right here. Thanks for watching and see you next video.